So welcome, we're really excited to share with you the first launch of this video vlog series, and this is Abdur Rahman from General Pack by AllumiaX, and we're going to be going over all of the things that we're going to talk about in this video, which is introducing the launch, the vlog content and topics. We're going to learn out of the vlog series about me, the instructor. We'll talk about the benefits that you might get, the motivation behind the vlog series, where you'll find it, the cost, the satisfaction guaranteed, and the feedback on our previous courses, the limited time offer, and making sure that you are ready to go. So what is this vlog series? What's it all about? It is a launch as a new series that we've launched by General Pack by AllumiaX, and in this series it's called a PSE vlog, the Power Systems Engineering video blog, essentially, in which we are going to talk about all sorts of various power system engineering comments and commentary, and we're going to be looking at the different blogs that AllumiaX has written. We're going to be looking at the different resources that'll be available, and it's a very one-on-one conversation, right? Me as your guide and my interpretation of some of the content and some of the information that's available in a very informal sense. It's fun, it's lively, it's a video blog essentially, and so you'll join me in this series. Now, what you're going to learn out of it is a lot of great information. It's going to be insights, it's going to be understanding the different nuances about all sorts of technical topics, technical content on power systems engineering, all the way from the low voltage equipment to the medium voltage to the high voltage. And it's going to be very exciting. Like I said, it's going to be like a one-to-one informational session from me to you as the person on the other end. So it'll be a very unique way of just sharing the information, sharing the content, and making it useful and valuable to you as a subscriber. Now, what are you going to benefit from it? Now, in this video blog series, the Power System Engineering vlog, I think you'll get some very great insights on various different topics on power systems engineering, right? Insights that's very easily consumable through a video series and through our website. And the interesting thing about this vlog is that it's not a one and done type of a deal, right? It's not a educational resource or training material that's defined and into a small box. It is a video series that gets added on, something new gets added on a weekly or a monthly basis. So you subscribe to the vlog, and today it might be a dozen videos, but tomorrow it might be several dozen videos, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. Various topics, various sessions, and all at the cost of $9.99 a month, right? And with this cost, like I mentioned, you're not put into a box. It's a continuously growing series where we're talking about all sorts of different topics. AllumiaX.com is where you'll be able to find this blog, where you'll be able to sign up for it and get immediate value from it. Now, there's a satisfaction that's guaranteed, right? We don't want you to sign up for something that you're not going to value. That's not what our intention is. So what we're going to do is if you sign up, we're going to give you 1 day's worth of completely free open access to some of our content, and you'll see at least one full vlog series where we did, and you'll be able to get an idea of what it's all about, the types of content, the types of deliverable that we do in this vlog series. So once you sign up, it's a satisfaction guaranteed. We'll give you some trial period, no questions asked, and if you don't like what you see, then you could always unsubscribe and come back and try it out later when things are even better, right? Okay, so now we love to get comments from all of our content, right? The vlog series is just one of them. And so if you have questions, the cool thing here is that we will actually respond. So if you have questions, we'll respond, we'll read your comment, we'll respond to it, we'll add value to it so you have a better understanding of it, right? And that's one of the feedbacks, one of the value added that you'll get through this vlog series, is that somebody at the other end is actually going to comment and actually is going to respond to your questions. So there is a limited time offer. So what we're asking to get the word out and to make this even more exciting, the first 50 members who join this vlog community, right, will get a 75% discount. And the offer is only valid up to the 5th of May to the 15th of May. So for the first 10 days, if you're looking to get that 75% discount, then you have to go to AllumiaX.com/learn, and you'll be able to join and sign up for that vlog immediately and get that discount, right? That's something that, wow, I mean, how can you pass that up? So limited time offer, go there now, get ready. What are you waiting for, right? Everything's right there, right, easily consumable, right at your fingertips. So I'd encourage you all to sign up, to check it out. No questions asked. If you don't like it, you could get all your money back, whatever. It doesn't matter, right? So highly valuable series. So sign up and tell me what you think. Drop a like, drop some comments, and we'll see you on the other side.